If your PC stutters or apps crash when you're multitasking, you might be running out of physical RAM. Today, we're fixing that for free using the paging file. The paging file is a hidden area on your storage that Windows uses as virtual memory when your actual RAM is full. To set it up, search for Advanced System Settings in the Start menu. This will open your system properties. Click Settings under the Performance section, go to the Advanced tab and click Change in the virtual memory area. Uncheck the box at the top that says Automatically Manage so we can customize the size ourselves. Select your fastest drive, usually your SSD, where Windows is installed. Then click Custom Size. A safe rule is to set the initial size to 1.5 times your RAM and maximum to 3 times your RAM. For 16 gigabytes, that's about 24,000 for initial and 48,000 for maximum. Make sure you click the Set button before hitting OK or the changes won't save. You'll need to restart your computer for these changes to take effect and for Windows to allocate that extra space. This simple tweak can stop crashes and make your PC feel more stable during heavy loads. Subscribe to Tech Spectrum for more PC guides,